everyone, Kickin Kenz here, and I'm an exercise specialist for 9-year-old. I'm also a certified nutrition coach. And with me today, I have Imani, the warrior, and we're going to be discussing some of our favorite snacks to take for work or if we're really on the go. So for me, I typically work in an office setting, but I also, of course, do filming for 9-round. But Imani has a much different schedule than I do, so I thought it would be really cool to bring her in and let her tell us a little bit about what she does, as well as how she maintains her healthy eating patterns on the go every day. So Imani, tell us a little bit about yourself and what you do for work.
So I am a 9-round trainer. I also work and help with the home office. So I help Kenzie and Drew with marketing things and 9-round now. So when I'm not, physically working as a trainer, I'm filming here and I'm filming with Kenz. And so I'm constantly on the go and constantly in needing of energy and sustenance. So my favorite, drum roll please, it's boiled eggs. If there was a boiled egg contest, I would win because I love eating them that much. I have them on the go always. So sometimes I'll eat them in the morning, I'll have them in the afternoon for a snack, and it's a great snack for on the go.
So Imani, tell us a little bit. I know there are a few options for how you could prepare your boiled eggs. So what do you do each week to make sure that you have your snack for the week?
Yeah, so I'm not crunching because I got to be in the gym at 5 a.m., so I'm not rushed. I boil all of them at the beginning of the week. And I just have, a pack of 6 or 12. I have them all boiled and deshelled, so I just have them in a bag and they're ready to go.
Yeah, that's a great option for boiled eggs. Another option if you're even in more of a hurry or you might not have time to meal prep one day during the week for the whole week, you can always just go to most grocery stores and next to the eggs you can find bags of already boiled eggs. They already have the shell off and everything, so that's a great option as well to help speed up the process a little bit. So Imani, tell us, what do you like to pair with your boiled eggs?
So I love eating them with grapes. Great source of energy.
Yeah, that's a great option, especially when you're eating something that has protein and fat. It's a good option to get carbs as well. And of course, our fruits are so important. So pairing fruits with something like boiled eggs or cheese and nuts, something like that, is a great way to get a variety of your macronutrients. You're getting protein, carbs, and fat, but you're also helping to keep your blood sugar levels balanced by taking in something besides just the sugar at that time. So it's a great way to get a little bit of everything as well as a serving of your fruits as well. So Imani, tell us about your other snack that is your favorite go-to.
So when I want a sweet, nice, satisfying snack, I do Greek yogurt with granola and some sort of fruit like strawberries. That is second to boiled eggs and being my favorite, and it really, really is filling, and I like to have that morning or afternoon.
That's a great option. That's another one of my favorite snacks as well. Honestly, that is one of my go-tos, especially for a breakfast on the go.
Definitely.
But it's also a sweet treat, so it could kind of be like a dessert in the middle of the day.
In the middle of the day.
Of course, yeah. So that's a great option. You can do maybe like a low-fat Greek yogurt, or you could do a sugar-free Greek yogurt. Things like that to kind of help you balance out your macronutrients. And it's also a great way to get in some different grains and oats, things like that, depending on what kind of granola or oats you put in with it as well. So that is a great option. A few other options that we both use a lot, especially after 9-round now workouts or any other filming, are 9-round protein. So the 9-round protein bar is a great option. It has 230 calories in it. It's got your protein, your fat, and your carbs all at once. And I know Imani and I often a lot of times like to eat the 9-round protein bar after a workout, kind of between filming. So Imani, tell us, which one is your favorite, chocolate or vanilla protein?
Hard question, Kenz. I think it has to be the vanilla.
Vanilla? I'm a vanilla girl too. Yes, so our 9-round protein is a great option as well. You could take it on the go with you, just mix it in with water. You can mix it with a smoothie or something like that as well. So that's another great option. And then there are also recipes you can make with our 9-round protein. So Imani, tell us about these right here.
So these are peanut butter protein bites, and they are another sweet treat that you can have any time of the day, and filling, small, cute, and delicious.
Yes, and they're definitely easy to take on the go. The recipe for the peanut butter protein bites is actually in the member portal. It's made with our 9-round protein powder, but it once again has a great balance of all of your macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fat. 2 of them is a serving, so it's easy to just grab it and go. Pop 2 of them in a little container and take with you. You can have them just kind of as a quick breakfast. If you're not really a breakfast person, it's a light breakfast, or just a snack throughout the day, something after your workout. Anything like that, it's a great option. And a recipe makes 16 of them, so you can kind of break it up throughout the week. So that's another great option for you. So Imani, do you have any other tips or tricks to share with our viewers?
Yes, I would say prep in advance. Get your favorite snacks, have them ready for the week, and then you'll always have a healthy option in your pocket.
That's definitely great advice. Thank you so much for joining us today, Imani. If you guys need more tips and tricks like these, make sure to check out our member portal, utilize our recipes, our protein powder, our protein bars, things like that, and stay tuned for more videos like these.